class student. In the chapter Factor and Multiples, today we are going to discuss about common multiples and LCM. We know what is the multiples and we know how to find it also. Simply when we are multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we can get the multiple of that number. Simple. We are writing the multiplication table, that only now. So by that only we are getting the multiples of the number. Now what is the common multiple? Today we are going to discuss about the common multiple. When we are saying common multiples, that means we are talking about two or more than two numbers. Means we are talking about the multiples of two or more than two number. Then only it will be the common for both, like this now. So yes, here we are discussing about the multiples of two or more than two number and what is common among them. That only we are going to discuss here. Next we are going to discuss LCM. The full form of LCM is L for least, C for common and M for multiples. Here is also common multiples only, but least means smaller among the common multiples, that is only LCM. So these two we will discuss here how to find it. For example, you are saying, okay, you are saying something yes. There is some game is there. You have to say yes after 4 seconds. Okay, and your friend have to say yes after 6 seconds. Okay. So which time you will say the yes together? You can find which after what second you are saying yes together. This is only you are saying yes after 4 seconds. Okay. So after each 4 seconds you are saying yes here. We can show in a number line. I will mark the time when you are showing the yes. Now the game start. After 4 seconds you are saying yes. Means we are jumping at 4. Then again after 4 seconds you are saying yes. After 4 seconds what it will be? 8 seconds. Again after 4 seconds you are saying yes. That means 12. Then 16. Then 20. Then 24. Like that, okay? After and so on. It will continue. And your friend is saying yes after 6 seconds. You are saying after each 4 seconds you are saying, okay, and your friend is after each 6 seconds he is saying yes. Let's see, first yes he will say at 6, then again after 6 what it will be? 12, then again after 6 what it will be? 18, then again after 6 what it will be? 24, then again after 6 what it will be? 30 and so on. Okay. So which second you are saying yes together, you and your friend? You can find now. Your friend is saying yes after 12 seconds and you are also saying yes after 12 seconds. Your friend is saying yes after 24 seconds again and you are also saying 24 seconds. Means in these seconds you are saying together. That is only common, okay? When commonly you are saying yes. So to find the common multiples, what we are first we are writing all the multiples of the number, okay? What the number is given over there, and then we are finding the common multiple of both the number. You can find here now, because after 12 seconds you are also saying yes, and after 12 seconds your friend is also saying yes, so both of you are saying together. That is only common. Okay, commonly you are saying together. You are sharing this time together. So that is only common multiples. The multiples common to both the number are called common multiples. So the multiples which is common to both the number. It is the multiple of 4 also, it is the multiple of 6 also. Then it is known as the common multiples. So to find the common multiples, first we will write the multiples of the number and then we will find the common multiple of that. That only we are going to do now. So for example, here it is given to you. Find the first 5 common multiples So we have to find first 5 common multiples, okay? Of the pair of number 4 and 5. Four and 5. These are the two numbers and we have to find the common multiples of these two numbers. What we will do first? First we will write all the multiples of 4 and we can't able to write all the multiples of 4 because it is unlimited. So we will write some multiples of 4 and then some multiples of 5 and then we'll find the first 5 common multiples. So solution will be like this. Multiples of 4 are. Simply what you will do is we will start writing the multiplication table only. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Like that only you can go further also. 44, then 48, 52, 56, 60, 64. Like that we will go. More we have to do. Then after 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, then 84, then 88, 92, 106, or not, 96 here it will be, 92, then 96, then 100, like that you can go further also. Let's see we are getting 5 multiples, common multiples here or not. Otherwise we will go on multiplying, okay, and we will find more and more multiples of 4. Now we will write the multiples of 5 are. What are the multiples of 5? You know the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Here also till 100 only I have find. But if I will not get 5 first multiples, then we can go on multiplying. Okay. Now let's see what are the common in both here. 4 is here, but it is not here. 8 is here, it is not here. 12, no. 16, no. 20, yes. Here is also 20 and here is also 20. First common multiples we get. Again we are going to check like this. Again we got 40 here. Again keep on checking. 60. Again keep on checking. 80. Again 100. So now you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Our work is over. No need to multiply further. Otherwise we have to multiply more if we will not get first 5 multiples. So the common multiples of 4 and 5. So the common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, these are the common multiples of 4 and 5. So we know how to find the common multiples. Means the multiples which when we will divide by 4 and 5, we will get 0 as a remainder. Okay, when we are dividing by both the number, it is leaving 0 remainder. That is only common multiples. When I will divide this 20 by 4, then also we will get 0 remainder, and then when I will divide this 20 by 5, then also we will get 0 remainder. Okay, means in the number line when we will jump by 4, then also we are getting 20, and when we are jumping by 5, then also we are getting 20. That is only common multiples. Okay, means both the time we are getting this. So the multiples which are shared by both the number are known as a common multiples. Okay, now next we are going to find, and if you want to check it, you can check it also whether ma'am is saying right or wrong. These are the common multiples, not 20, 40, 60 and 80. Now check it whether I am right or wrong, whether these are the common multiples of both the number or not. So for checking, what we will do, we will divide it by 4 and 5 at the same time. Means we are dividing, if I am saying 20 is the common multiple of 4 and 5, so we will divide 20 by 4 also and 20 by 5 also. Let's see we are getting 0 as a remainder or not. 4 5s are 20. Yes, here we get 0 remainder. Now here you see 5 4s are 20. Here also we are getting 0 remainder. Means this 20 is divisible, perfectly divisible by 4 and 5 together. So 20 is the common multiple of 4 and 5. So your doubt is over now. So next we are going to learn about LCM. Just now I said what is the full form of LCM? L means least, L stand for least, C stand for common and M stand for multiples. So LCM means least common multiples. Means here also we have to find the common multiples and we have to find that which is the smaller among these. That is only LCM. Now here it is, find the LCM of the following pair. So what is the definition of the LCM? LCM of the two or more number is the smallest number that can be divided by these number without leaving a remainder. What is LCM? The LCM of two or more number is the smallest number. Least means the smallest, okay? Least means the smallest. So it is the smallest number that can be divided. Just now you can see 20 can be divided and it is only the least one now. So that can be divided by those numbers without leaving remainder. It is the smallest number that can be divided by both the number, okay, without leaving remainder. So here is the question, find the LCM of 16 and 32. So we have to find here the LCM of 16 and 32. How we will find? Similarly, we will find first the multiple of 16 and then multiple of 32. 16, 32, 48, 64, okay? And so on. You can keep on multiplying and you can find more multiples. Of 32 are 32, 64 and so on, okay? Now we will find the common multiples. Here common multiples is, no, 16 is not there in second number. In second there is, 16 is not multiple in second number now. So now 32 is there, yes, 32 is here. 64 is here, yes, 64 is here. So the common multiples are 32, 64 and so on. Many may be there. But we are talking about the LCM, means least common multiple of both the number. So LCM of 16 and 32 are, which is the smallest among this? 32 now. You can find any number which is smaller than 32 and which is common for both the number, common multiples for both the number. No. This is the smallest only. So this is only LCM. So here it is 32 is the LCM of both the number. Okay. Now it is said that it is divisible by both the number. That also you can check. Multiples, common multiples means that number which we can divide by both the number leaving no remainder. So you can see here 32 when we are dividing by 16 also. 16 to the 32, no remainder, and here also 32 divided by 32, then also no remainder. So it can be divided by both the number, and it is the smallest one only which can be divided by both the number. Smaller than that 16 is only divisible by 16. It is not divisible by 32 because 16 is smaller than 32. Now children, you can see that 16 twos are 32. 32 is the multiple of 16. Now you can see here 32 is the multiple of 16. So when one number is the multiple of another number, then LCM of that pair will be the bigger number. So simply you can see 32. Again I am repeating, when anyone will ask to find the LCM of two number, okay, pair of the two number, and if among this pair one number is the multiple of another number, then the bigger number will be the LCM of both the number. You can see 16 and 32 are the 32 is the multiple of 16, so 32 will be the LCM of 16 and 32. And for SCF, you please recall your knowledge. For what I said, SCF will be the smaller number. So if anyone will ask what is the SCF of 16 and 32, then 16 is the SCF, and what is the LCM of 16 and 32, then 32 is the LCM. All time bigger number will be the LCM of the pair of the number when one number is the multiple of another number. So children, please keep on practicing the questions. All the best, okay? Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.